as drum bits number 1. So everybody knows this groove, I assume. It's usually the first one you learn when you're learning to play the drums. Anyway, your hi-hat's playing 8 notes. They're usually counted 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Your bass drum and your snare drum are playing 4 notes, 2 each. The bass drum's playing on beat 1, snare drum on 2, bass drum on 3, snare drum on 4. You have 4 open spaces if you think about the entire groove. They are the ands. The ands are only played on the hi-hat because the hi-hat plays everything in this groove. We can add a bass drum or a snare drum to any of those hi-hat notes that don't already have snares or kicks on them, and it'll create a different groove. Example, try adding a bass drum on the and of 1. What do you get? Here you go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? What if you were to add a snare drum to it instead? The snare would be on the and of 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? You could do that through the entire measure on the and of 2, the and of 3, the and of 4, and create a bunch of new grooves for yourself just based on that simple groove you learned when you started playing drums. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.